will introduce you the different parts step by step. First of all, let's look at the cooking system. As you can see, it includes a dissolving cooker, a cooling tank, and a storage tank. For the dissolving cooker, we'll add sugar, glucose, and other materials to mix together. We equip scraper stirrer inside to mix the added syrup. After cooking in the dissolving cooker, it will be transferred through the pump to the cooling tank. After cooling down the temperature about 70 to 80 degrees, we will add the starch and the gelatin. Because you know, gelatin is one of the most important elements of the marshmallow. So after adding the starch and the gelatin, it will be mixed together in the cooling tank with the scraper stirrer. After mixing, it will be transferred through the pump to the storage tank. The main function of the storage tank is to ensure the continuous production. So this is the brief introduction of the cooking system. Then let's move our eyes on the center filling cooking system. Because this customer wants to make jam or other center filling inside of the marshmallow. So this is the dissolving cooker to cook the center filling materials. This is the storage tank. And all the motors will use WEG or SEW. You can see the pipe is connected with the center filling system. So after cooking in this cooking system, the jam or center filling materials will be pumped to the center filling system. After preparing all the syrup, then come to the continuous aerating system. The main function of the aerator is to make the syrup fluffier. You can control or adjust different data in this control panel. It's industrial chiller, which will be connected with the continuous aerator. Then come to the color flavor mixing system. As you can see, we have 4 individual buckets to store different colors and flavors. The maximum is 4 colors. And this is dosing pump. So the calculated color and flavor liquid will be mixed with the syrup in the long pipes, because we equip the screw inside of the pipe to mix evenly. And you can see the pipes are connected with the extruding pipes, because this customer wants to make extruded marshmallow with 4 colors. Then let's look at the foaming system. First of all, this is the starch placing system. Before foaming, it will spray a layer of starch on the surface of the conveyor belt. Then the ruler will press on the surface of the starch. And here you can see mold. The molds will press on the surface of the starch to form shapes, and the molds can be customized. After forming the shapes, then it will be automatically transferred into the nozzles. The deployer will deploy the marshmallow into the shapes. Then it will be transferred through the conveyor belt for cooling down. This is the second foaming height. It can deposit marshmallow with center filling or without center filling. This is the third foaming equipment, extruding type. It has 16 full extruding heads totally. And the molds can be changed according to the customer's requirements. It will extrude marshmallow of long strips. Then it will be pulled down through the conveyor belt. Then come to the second starch placing system, so that the extruded marshmallow can be cut easily. Here is the cutting system for the extruded marshmallow. This is the guillotine cutter. The marshmallow size can be customized, like 3 centimeters or 5 centimeters, and so on. The finished marshmallow and starch will fall into this sifter. Then we will collect marshmallow through this outlet. The starch will shake and fall into here. Then through this elevator, the starch can be recycled to the second starch placing system. The conveyor belt is connected with the first starch placing system, which means all the starch can be recycled. Okay, this is all my introduction to this fully automatic and multifunctional marshmallow production line. If you are interested in this machine, or if you have some questions about this machine, please feel free to contact me.